artist, podcaster, or content creator? Have you been podcasting or even making indie music for a minute and are having trouble getting more listeners and monetizing? Well, here we are. Disctopia, what's good? It's Lisa here with Disctopia, the leading digital platform for artists, podcasters, and creatives. Disctopia is the only platform that allows you to upload, distribute, and monetize your podcast, music, and your merch all in one place. Let's start with the basics. Disctopia is a podcaster's paradise. At Disctopia, you can have unlimited podcast channels, and it's super easy to start one. Disctopia will take you through a super easy user flow that helps you validate your content beforehand so that your RSS feeds will be automatically created and validated across all the major podcasting platforms like Apple Music, Spotify, and Google Play. But check this out. If you keep your podcast exclusively on Disctopia, just mark the exclusivity box and we'll get you paid per podcast stream. We are the only podcast that's doing that. There's plenty of reasons to originate your podcast here on Disctopia. Uploading an episode is super user-friendly, and it's easy to upload your merchandise and generate some extra revenue streams for your content as well. You can make t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, and hats for your podcast, and all you have to do is choose where you want the logo to go, what colors you want, and Disctopia will take you through the rest. We are adding new items every week, and the best part is you can keep 100% of the profit. That's right, zero commissions here at Disctopia. Also, when you dive deeper into our analytics with our stunning reporting feature, you'll be able to see how your listeners are interacting with your content and where they're coming from, so that you'll know what works best for you and who to market to. When it comes to Disctopia, we are hands down the best platform to share your latest album, track, or even your mixtape. With digital downloads, your fans will be able to support your music directly. Charge whatever you like and keep it all. We never take a cut. Not only do you get to keep 100% of the profits and we pay you for every single exclusive play, we don't annoy your fans and listeners with ads. Yes, I said it. We're an ad-free platform. If you're an entrepreneur, podcaster, artist, musician, or even just a dope content creator looking to expand your reach and sell some merchandise, start using Disctopia today.